Hey, it's Paul with Finer Touch Construction, coming to you from Balancing Rock. This is a job site that we are under all the roughs right now, trying to get to insulation right before drywall. So when we're building a house and we're getting into this stage, we are very OCD on symmetrical, having things in line. When you come into a room, of course, we're going off plans, so we're trying to do a grid on every room, make sure that ducts are in line with the light cans, speaker cans, and even sprinkler heads. So to Finer Touch, we painstakingly try to get things laid out before we get locked in with drywall and all that stuff. So when you're lining out these linear diffusers, you've got to make sure that they're straight now, because once drywall goes in, it's a pain in the butt to move them. So we spend a lot of time laying out, figuring out distances. We got this hood here that's centered in this room. We lay out the island on the ground so we can transfer that up to make sure it's going to line up with our cabinetry. And in the room, we got speaker placements we have to be concerned about. We got a subwoofer that's up in the ceiling here, speaker boxes, lights, fans. We're going to have heaters going in the ceiling also. So you've got to make that all kind of make sense. And it's a detail that most people that walk in the room aren't going to even know what they're looking at. But the fact that you took the time to make sure that looked like it makes sense, it's a background thing, but it's something that's very important to the room. It's not cut up. It's not this awkward asymmetrical design. We like to try and get things lined up square and in a grid. Follow me over here to the hallway, and you can see an example of where we had to fit 5 linear diffusers and multiple art lights down a hallway, all the ducting into all these areas with fire sprinklers, can lights, and make it look like almost like a runway. In Scottsdale, we have a standard thing that we have to do in most of our houses. We have to have fire sprinklers, the fire suppression system. So we have to make those look like they make sense in the ceiling also. If you noticed, we made the returns linear also in this hallway, so it kind of had that linear feel. Instead of having the big old square return at the end of the hallway, we tried to make it look like it all coexisted together. Hey, thanks for watching AFT Construction's YouTube channel, and I hope you keep coming back for more on Balancing Rock.